What's up, guys? SPC Bridgeport here. Yeah, apparently previously we were under a winter storm watch, and now according to WTNH, which is my default alerting through SMS, we're now under a blizzard watch. Now the alert, well, thank thank goodness they actually don't tone these, but apparently, yeah. So this is all right. So portions of northeast New Jersey, Long Island, and southeast New York, except Putnam. Um, all this area. Uh, It's yeah. This area is under a blizzard watch. Right, so yeah. So I'm guessing. Let's go on IEM bot. Oh, I get it. So, let's see. So apparently the blizzard watch was extended. I think this is blizzard watch number 1. So, so it's for Fairfield, at least for the extension area. Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Bergen, Essex, Union, Rockland, Westchester, New York, also known as Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, also known as Richmond, Kings or Brooklyn, and Queens. Actually,
provided by area state environmental agencies. In New York, Riverhead has a forecast air quality index of 54, which is moderate.
yeah, apparently, I'm not sure if it's just me or if it's just the way they worded it, but I think they changed the wording on the for the AQI values. All right, so
The coastal waters
nope.
forecast for more reaches in Matuma Point.
Yeah, so here's some more.
Small craft advisory in effect until 5 p.m. this afternoon. Storm watch in effect from Monday
Alright, so
afternoon through.
yeah, so in case people were confused, this is the area of what the previous winter storm watch was. Apparently, yeah. Yeah, so this was what the previous winter storm watch, which is now the new, I think, yeah, this is where the winter storm watch was originally taking place. Let's see.
7 feet in the afternoon.
Mount Holly also upgraded or changed it.
And for Monday night, northeast winds 25 to 35 knots, increasing to 35 to 40 knots after midnight. Gusts up to 50
Alright,
knots.
so
Seas 9 to 12 feet, building to 13 to 17 feet after midnight. Snow. Visible
all right.
1 nautical mile or less. The marine
Yeah, so the alert should come on right about now
sound.
for a while.
Craft advisory in effect until 5 p.m.
I'll
this
probably
afternoon.
record the video a little bit later. Alright, so alright. I'm out for now.